Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I got another fitness tip for you on how to strengthen your inner thighs. So, grab a dumbbell or a kettlebell and let's get busy. Hey, my name is Lisa Wolkerstorfer. I'm a classical Pilates teacher, licensed massage therapist, and personal trainer. Hey, I've been helping people over the age of 40 for the last 20 years decrease their back pain, increase their posture, so you can continue to do all the things you love in life. So today's fitness tip is how to strengthen your inner thighs with either a dumbbell or a kettlebell. I happen to have a kettlebell. So squat down, pick it up. You'll notice I bent my knees out and I didn't bend from my waist. That's the #1 mistake. You want to protect your back, folks. So I happen to have a kettlebell. You can also grab a dumbbell from the circular part, the top part of the dumbbell. Make sure your feet are turned out, your shoulders are back, and we're simply going to bend from the knee. Now I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me. Bend down from the knee. Notice my back is straight, and I'm going to drive right back up. Your knees are tracking with your toes. Your chest is forward. Pick a spot on the wall to gaze. Come up, squeeze the booty. Down, squeeze. And lift. Your arms are just along for the ride. Now go down as low as you can, come back up comfortably, keeping your back nice and straight. One more time, and then I will turn and face you. Go ahead and set that weight and come right back up. So anytime you go to pick something up from the ground, or maybe you're picking your kid up, bend your knees, protect your back. You don't want to bend forward like so to pick it up, because then it's all in your back. Let the big strong legs help you out. So I hope the tip helped you understand how to strengthen your inner thighs with just maybe one piece of equipment. I'll be posting more videos on how to strengthen your inner thighs with different pieces of equipment in the future. So keep an eye out for those. And hey, if you like my channel, hit that red subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when YouTube posts new workout tutorials. Leave a comment if you have a question, or maybe you want to see a new video on something specific. Hey, I'd love to answer that question for you. And if you want live workouts geared for people over 40, I got that coming out in March. So if you're looking for stability ball HIIT classes, things that you can do if you have injuries, low back pain, shoulder pain, I give you options. So when you sign up for one of my classes, I have you fill out a health history form. So I know ahead of time, all the people that are attending my classes, what injuries you have, so I can cue you toward modifications. So if we were in a group of, let's say, 8 to 10 people, and it was a live class, you had a shoulder injury, somebody else had a low back injury, I would just cue, hey, if you have a shoulder injury, don't do push-ups, try this. That way I don't have to mention any names, everybody's kept confidential, and you get a great workout. So the link will be in the description box below. I look forward to seeing you. Let's get our sweat on and reach your fitness goals for the year 2022. The most #1 reason people quit with their fitness journey is they get frustrated. You struggle. There's no community support or anybody answering your questions. That's where I come in. I'll answer those questions after class on Zoom if you have some, and we'll chat about that. I'll be here for you. Come join our community. We would love to have you. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye.